Hey everyone, welcome back to CarAug 765, your ultimate destination for classic cars, rare finds, and automotive stories that inspire. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an amazing ride with us. Imagine a car that was ahead of its time, a vehicle that perfectly combined the practicality of a wagon with the adventure-ready spirit of an SUV. That car is the 1997 Subaru Forester. When it first hit the roads, SUVs were mostly big, bulky, and not very fuel efficient. But Subaru did something different. They took a compact, reliable car and gave it all-wheel drive, a high roofline, and enough space for a small family and all their gear. Suddenly, weekend adventures, ski trips, and mountain drives became accessible to everyone, not just those with huge SUVs. The Forester may look simple, but under the hood, it had Subaru's Boxer engine, renowned for its low center of gravity, which gives superior stability, smooth handling, and a fun driving experience. Pair that with the symmetrical all-wheel drive, and you get a vehicle that can tackle snow, mud, or rough trails with confidence. The 1997 Forester truly redefined what a compact SUV could be. In this video, we're going to explore everything, from its rugged design and practical interior to why collectors and SUV enthusiasts still love this classic model today. The 1997 Subaru Forester was a game-changer. At a time when SUVs were either huge or inefficient, Subaru introduced something compact, practical, and surprisingly fun to drive. The first-generation Forester had a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 125 horsepower, and was available with manual or automatic transmission. But the real star was the symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which made it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, snowy region drivers, and anyone who loved a bit of adventure. Inside, the Forester offered a surprisingly spacious cabin. The rear seats folded flat, creating a versatile cargo area perfect for camping, road trips, or even hauling larger items. Large windows offered excellent visibility, while the higher driving position gave SUV-like confidence without the bulk. Its design was simple yet purposeful, rounded edges, a slightly elevated stance, and a rugged charm that has aged gracefully over the decades. Many of these vehicles are still running today, a testament to Subaru's reliability and build quality. One of the reasons the Forester became so popular was fuel efficiency. Unlike big SUVs of the time, the Forester could handle daily commuting and long trips without constantly stopping for gas, making it a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. Safety was another priority. The 1997 Forester featured dual airbags, anti-lock brakes, and a strong structural design, making it a very safe compact SUV for its era. Its ability to navigate rough roads without compromising safety made it a versatile vehicle for all types of drivers. Collectors today value the 1997 Forester for its durability and timeless appeal. With proper maintenance, these vehicles can exceed 300,000 kilometers, and the engine and AWD system are often described as bulletproof by longtime owners. Owning a first-generation Forester is not just about nostalgia, it's about driving a reliable and capable vehicle that still performs remarkably well today. The 1997 Subaru Forester is more than just a car. It's a pioneer that helped define the modern compact SUV segment. Its combination of practicality, ruggedness, and innovation still inspires today's Forester models, and its legacy continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Thanks for joining me on this journey into one of Subaru's most iconic models. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content. Which classic SUV should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below.